What if one man could unravel the secrets of the universe, from the fall of an apple to the orbits of planets? Journey through the extraordinary life of Sir Isaac Newton, whose genius reshaped our understanding of the natural world. Sir Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727, was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and author, widely regarded as one of the most influential scientists of all time. His work laid the foundation for classical mechanics, optics, and calculus. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, during a time of significant political and social upheaval. His father, a prosperous farmer, died 3 months before Isaac's birth, and his mother remarried when he was 3, leaving him in the care of his grandmother. This early separation deeply affected him. Newton showed little academic promise in his early years, but developed an interest in mechanics and mathematics as a teenager. He attended the King's School in Grantham and later enrolled at Trinity College, Cambridge, in 1661. At Cambridge, Newton was introduced to the works of great thinkers like Aristotle, Galileo, and Descartes. He began developing his own theories about mathematics and natural philosophy. In 1665, the Great Plague forced Cambridge to close, and Newton returned to Woolsthorpe Manor. During this period, often called his Annus Mirabilis, Year of Wonders, he made groundbreaking discoveries in calculus, optics, and gravitation. It was during these years that Newton formulated his law of universal gravitation, famously inspired by observing an apple fall from a tree. Mathematics. Newton independently developed calculus, though credit was later contested with Leibniz. His mathematical methods revolutionized physics and engineering, published the laws of motion and universal gravitation in his seminal work, Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, 1687. These laws provided a framework for understanding the motion of objects in celestial bodies. His work unified terrestrial and celestial mechanics under one framework, conducted experiments with prisms showing that white light is composed of the spectrum of colors, developed the first practical reflecting telescope, applied his laws to explain planetary motion, tides, and the orbits of comets. Newton moved to London in 1696 to become Warden of the Royal Mint, where he reformed England's currency and prosecuted counterfeiters. In 1703, he became president of the Royal Society and was knighted in 1705. Despite his fame, Newton had disputes with contemporaries, including Robert Hooke and Gottfried Leibniz. He was also deeply religious, spending considerable time studying alchemy and theology, though much of this work was unpublished during his lifetime. Newton died on March 31, 1727, and was buried in Westminster Abbey. His work profoundly influenced subsequent generations of scientists, including Albert Einstein. Newton's laws and methods laid the groundwork for modern science and engineering, marking the beginning of the scientific revolution. He remains a symbol of intellectual achievement and scientific inquiry.